To change the packing chamber, you first disconnect the air. This is a quick connector, so you press the blue ring and pull the cable or pull the hose like that. Actually, this you can leave on that end because you need it for the other packing chamber. And then this is a screw connector. You unscrew it. Like that. I will just take this and put it on there. So now you disconnected the power and sensor signals and the air supply to the packing chamber. That you can just leave hanging here. And then there is a bolt here, and that is used to regulate the position of the packing chamber next to the infeed belt. You want a small gap there, just enough for the belt to pass, but not too big, so that twigs or small logs can get stuck. So you unscrew that and push the bolt out, and then you should also drag the whole packing chamber a little bit out, so when you start to lift it doesn't grab here, so push it maybe 10 centimeters out. And the last thing you need to do is to take off this sensor bracket that we put on, because you want to just lift the packing chamber maybe 15 centimeters to get it off this main structural beam. You just want to lift it 15 centimeters and then take it out. So take this off, unscrew the sensor cable and put this to the side, then lift the whole chamber up. You have 4 lifting points, one here, one here, one here and one here. So ideally you lift it all on all 4 places, and the weight of the chamber is about 100 kilos, so use a forklift to lift it. So a little bit out and straight up. And then to mount the 40-liter chamber is basically the same procedure, only in reverse. You should shut the machine off while you do it.